Hello everybody, welcome. Now, Welsh rarebit, is that how you say it? Welsh rarebit. Now, I was told about that, I've never heard of it before in my life. I thought it was Welsh rabbit, I thought it meant a stew. Told about it on my live stream last week, I think it was. So I've been having a look, and there's loads of different recipes out there for it. Loads. So I don't know, I didn't know which was right, which was wrong. So I thought I'll do 3 different ones today. I'm going to do one HelloFresh, I'm going to do one off a website, and I'm going to do one, and yes, he's back, Jamie Oliver. So we're going to do 3 and we're going to compare. We'll see what happens. To me it looks like a bit like cheese on toast, but it says it's not cheese on toast. But anyway, let me show you what I've got. This is all the ingredients I've got. I've grated all the cheeses and everything. So let me start off with, this is the HelloFresh one. I mean, you see the difference in the recipes, don't you? Look at all different stuff. So I don't know, it's people make them as they want to make them, don't they? So this one, the HelloFresh one, is 30 grams of cheddar, 30 grams of double Gloucester, 30 grams of cream cheese, and 17 grams of whole grain mustard. That's the HelloFresh. And they're going on ciabatta bread. Oops. Cobs. They're going on them. That's that one. Next one, so I'm just going through my phone because it's chaos. Well, this one's off the website. This one is 20 grams of unsalted butter. It doesn't say whether that's got to be melted, but I'm assuming it has, so I'll melt that in a minute. Then it's got 250 grams of sugar, 250 grams of sugar, yeah. Sugar, cheese. Look at the difference in the cheeses. It's mad, ain't it? Worcester sauce. I bloody ran out of Worcester sauce. Said a tablespoon, I've only got half. Well, no, maybe not even half. I thought I had some. I've just been at the shop because I forgot my cheese. So I'm not going back up again. And 1 tablespoon of English mustard for that one. And that's just going on normal, it just says thick bread, so I've just got some bloomer. Some of that. And here's the Jamie Oliver one. I'll find it, there we go. You want two egg yolks, which I put in a bowl. You want some chilli relish, or chilli jam, whatever you call it. You want 100 grams of grated cheese. What else was it? 150 cream. And 1 level tablespoon of, it says English mustard powder, but I ain't got none, I ain't buying it because I won't use it again. So I just got English mustard. So, if you can see all the different ingredients, and because I know people are going to say, well, that ain't right, so that's not how you do it. But there's 3 different ones here. So basically you put them all in individual bowls, mix them together, get it toasted. Job's a good one. Oh, and some beer on this one as well. On the website one. I just got that. Amber ale. I don't know, I don't drink, so, and there's 70 ml of that. It says ale or stout or something, so I just got that. Cheapest one, £1.9 or something. So let's get them mixed in the bowls. Well, I'm going to start with the HelloFresh. Basically just get it all in a bowl and mix together. I'm going to get the cheeses in. I mean, the HelloFresh one looks the easiest. And just give it a mix. Incorporate it all, that's what it says. I don't know. It's just like a cheese spread thing, innit, I suppose. I don't know. Looks a bit dry, that. Mind you, yeah, this one only makes 2, I think, this one. I don't know how many they make. All that cheese on them. So for 2 cobs, or baps, as people like to call them, or whatever you want to call it. Bread rolls. Well, there's the HelloFresh. So I'll put that to one side, so I don't get them all mixed up. Next one, the website one. I'm just going to go and melt the butter. Right, now we're going to do the website one then. I melted the butter. Get it all in. Loads of cheese on this one, look at all this cheese. Stick the butter in. Worcester sauce in. And yeah, the mustard. And a bit of mustard there and all. There we go. I'll mix all that up. Oh no, the beer. Got to put the beer in this one, 70ml. There we go. That one's looking a bit nicer, a bit runnier. There's the website one. I'll put that to a side so I don't get them mixed up, but I shouldn't be able, shouldn't do anyway. And now we've got our Jamies to do. Good old Jamie Oliver. Right. This one, get it all in, cheese. Get it all in, don't be shy. Eggs, this is the only one with eggs. There was a few websites that said eggs. I suppose it's what you like, innit, I suppose. Don't need that yet. That's going to go on it once it's been toasted, apparently. Cream. And English mustard. And I'll mix that. So you've got one with cream cheese and one with beer. I don't suppose it's got to be smooth, has it? Because I suppose it's got to have a bit of a texture, innit? And there's Jamie's. Right, I've got the air fryer warming up. I'm going to get a roll, ciabatta roll, is that what they say? Ciabatta? I think that's how you say it, isn't it? Get one of them, I'm going to chop one of them in half while that's warming up. Like so. That's chopped in half. And I'm just going to put one slice of bread each, I'm not going to do loads. Get both the same. I've got stuff everywhere, I have, man. Everywhere. Right, let's get these into to toast. I'll put the cobs this side, buns, whatever you want to call them. And we'll get them toasted. Right, I'm going to take them out now, because they're lightly toasted. Right, I do apologise, you can hear it. The air fryer's still going, but so these have got to go back in. So this is the Hello Fresh one. Hello Fresh one. Just pile it on. It says get it as much as to the sides as you can, I suppose. Stop the burning. Right, there's the Hello Fresh one. Move that out of the way. Spoons. Spoons. Right, now we'll do the website one now. This is the one with the beer. I don't know how high it's supposed to be. I suppose it doesn't really matter, does it? But it just makes it more cheesy, doesn't it, I suppose, and whatever. If it has it too high, will it all melt over? And that's sure. That's that one. Now we've got Jamie's to do. And this one, you want a chilli relish at the bottom. Never had this Tesco chilli relish before. £1.65 it was. Just spread it on. All the way, it said all around the edges so it doesn't stop it burning. Could have used a knife, but That'll do. Get another spoon. Loads of washing up I got for all this. And then Jamie's one with the cream. This looks a lot runnier, this one does. First impressions, which one do you think looks the best? Now for someone who's never had it before me, I've never had it, so I don't know what it's supposed to look like properly, apart from what I've seen on the pictures. I think Jamie looks better. But it's all in the taste, isn't it? So let's get them back in the air fryer for 4 or 5 minutes. Hello Fresh on this side. The website one at the back. And I put Jamie's at the front. There we go. Until they're nice and crispy and bubbly. That's what they say. So I'll see you in a minute. It's looking nice. But it's starting to smoke. Because all the cheese from the bottom. So they're done anyway. Could do them with a little bit browner. But it's coming off because it's smoking the kitchen out. Anyway, I'm going to get them out. I've just noticed that one could have done with a bit longer. I say smoking the kitchen out. The kitchen's full of smoke now with that burnt cheese and that in there. So I've had to turn it off. I can hardly see. So, hello Fresh ones. The website one and the Jamie Oliver one. Now first impressions, I think that one looks the best. Jamie's, I'm going to be honest. What do you reckon? I know people can say I should have left it in longer, but I can't. Kitchen's full of smoke. Them two look nice. That one looks a bit anemic. But it's all in the taste. So let's give it a taste test. Smoke, man. Surprised smoke alarms ain't gone off. Anyway, I'm going to try. I'll let it cool down for a few minutes. The Hello Fresh one first. Never tried these stuff before, so let's see. There's quite a lot of that whole grain mustard in there. Quite a lot of that. Feels very cheesy and all, but then had a little bit of cheese, that one. I'm not too sure about that one. Let me get a knife. Let me do the website one. Let's cut it open. There's the website one. It could have done a bit longer, the website one. But I couldn't with the kitchen full of smoke. That one's okay, but it's runny. I don't even know it's supposed to be runny. Was it just because it weren't browned enough? I don't know, I'm not sure. I'm clean my knife. Now let's do the Jamie one. The Jamie one. Browned on the top and soft in the middle. That looks quite nice, that does. Let's try it. You can taste that jam. supposed to be a bit runny, is it? Or is it supposed to be like when you do cheese on toast, gooey and that? I don't know. Because that one's gooey, but that's on a cob, ain't it? These two are quite runny. But taste-wise, I'm going to have to go, number one, no, do reverse order. Number 3 is the website one. It's okay, but it's I can't really taste the, what's it called? The mustard. There's quite a lot of cheese in it. Second is going to be the Hello Fresh. It's got quite a lot of mustard. If you like mustard, you'd like that one. And first, unfortunately, it's got to be Jamie. It's that chilli. It's very nice. That brings it out, brings the flavour out. So unfortunately, we've got to admit that our Jamie's won this. And the cream as well. But I don't know whether it's supposed to be like that or whether it's supposed to be hard. I don't know. Let me know. Obviously some of you have had it before because you've said. But yeah, I'll eat that again and I'm going to have some for tea. So as I say, I've got something really big coming up soon. Not too long now. Next week probably. I'm going to get it away and it's a good one. It's very good. You're going to want it. And that's going to be my last review. I do a few things for a bit, so I want to concentrate on the cooking again. But it's because I got asked to do them, I thought I'd do them. But this next one's coming up, it's a big one. And you're going to want it. So anyway, I am the Old Food Guy. Oh, pardon me. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. See you later. Bye bye.